Hey guys, it's Jeff, and today I wanted to share with you this drone. This is the Fuse X22 live feed drone, which is honestly the perfect drone to start out with if you are interested in getting into the world of drones. Let's check it out. So first thing is, this is a super light and compact drone. With 4 propellers attached to this extremely small body, I can assure you that this thing is very fast and agile. With this agility though, you might be wondering, is there a risk for crashing? Well, the company does state this drone is basically crash resistant, but there isn't actually a sensor ensuring this. What there is on this drone is propeller guards, which ensure protection for the blades, which is usually a major factor when a drone crashes. So in my experience, these basically protective measures around the propellers really do ensure that the drone does not crash. Now moving on to some of the actual features of this drone, and it does support a live view HD camera along with a Wi-Fi connection, which ensures quite a far distance of control. In my experience, using the camera option isn't always worth it, as the battery life from the 380 mAh batteries doesn't last more than 6 minutes with the video feature turned on. Auto hover, auto land, and auto takeoff though are amongst other useful features which are all taken care of through the remote control. Now, the remote control is huge, and that is for good reason. There are a ton of controls here which control all of the flight controls of this drone, along with controls on the backside which control the camera and video options of this device. Overall, in my experience, using the controller was extremely easy, and while some of the pitch and orientation controls didn't do much, the auto land and auto takeoff features were super helpful, as I'm a beginner to flying drones. Now onto my full experience, and honestly, this is a perfect drone to start out with. You get about 10 to 13 minutes of flight time along with 2 batteries, so in total you will have about 20 to 25 minutes of good flight time. If you carry a battery pack like I do, you can stretch that usage time quite a bit and have a lot more time to have fun with your drone throughout the day. So in conclusion, would I buy this? Actually, yes. I don't really have an interest to fly the expensive DJI drones, but something like this would be perfect, as it would just be fun to take this thing out for a spin once in a while and enjoy the outdoors with some technology mixed right in. So guys, that's my experience and review of the Fuse X22 drone. If you have kids or family members who want an inexpensive but not crap drone, I would highly recommend this product, as it's just perfect for getting into this hobby. I'll have a link down below where you can check out some more details and get yours today. You can also use the promo code TechReview to get an awesome discount and try this out for less than the full price on Amazon. So thank you all for watching, stay tuned for some upcoming content, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace!